What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, and Geek. So, this is a very interesting question. Is cracking Nintendo Switch is a myth? I love my Nintendo Switch a lot. Sadly, I have to say yes. Cracking Nintendo Switch is more of a myth than reality. I know a lot of YouTubers are whining about it. Number one thing is Nintendo Switch is made from plastic. It's hard plastic shell. It will break if you put pressure on it. There is absolutely no rocket science. When I say there's absolutely no rocket science, then literally I mean there's no rocket science. If you try to, like a glass is fragile. If you do not care, it will break. It will shatter into small pieces. Same with the plastic. Again, this is absolutely a big lie I'm seeing on the internet. I don't know. I have talked to a real retailer of Nintendo Switch. I have my own Nintendo Switch. If you take care, if you put in a case, it's not going to break. What I'm seeing Nintendo Switch are cracking when people are putting pressure. If you put in your backpack, make sure you're putting in a hard case. It's very simple. For example, this mouse. I always buy a wireless mouse, but like few months later, the mouse stopped working. You know why? I realized the problem was that when I put in my backpack, it, the pressure of my mouse bumping behind the wall, so the click stopped working. Same with the Nintendo Switch. If you take care, it won't break. So it's absolutely a lie. Lie. Again, I'm not saying yes, some YouTuber are really saying their Nintendo Switch crack. They know the reason why they are cracking and they are not taking care. Simple as that. So it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.